Blood. It's the river of life that flows through each of us, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies. But did you know that not all blood is the same? Just like we have different hair and eye colors, we also have different blood types. Understanding your blood type is not just a matter of medical curiosity, it's crucial information that can impact your health and even save your life in an emergency. Imagine a scenario where you've been in an accident and need a blood transfusion. Doctors rush to your aid, but they need to know your blood type to ensure they give you compatible blood. Giving someone the wrong blood type can have severe, even fatal consequences. But what exactly determines our blood type? The answer lies on the surface of our red blood cells, where tiny molecules called antigens reside. These antigens act like flags, signaling to our immune system what belongs in our bodies and what doesn't. There are two main types of blood group systems, the ABO system and the RH system. These systems work together to create the 8 major blood types we know of today. Let's break down the ABO blood group system, the most well-known of the blood typing systems. This system categorizes blood into 4 main types: A, B, AB, and O. These letters represent the type of antigens present on the surface of your red blood cells. If you have type A blood, you have A antigens on your red blood cells. Type B blood means you have B antigens. Having type AB blood means you have both A and B antigens. And if you have type O blood, you have neither A nor B antigens. Think of it like this. Each blood type has its own unique flag flying on the red blood cells. Type A has flag A, type B has flag B, type AB has both flags, and type O has no flags at all. But there's more to the story than just the A and B antigens. Our immune system also plays a crucial role in determining blood type compatibility. In addition to the ABO system, there's another important player in the blood typing game, the RH factor. This factor adds another layer of complexity, further classifying blood as either positive or negative. The RH factor is named after the rhesus monkeys in which it was first discovered. If you have the RH factor on your red blood cells, you're Ra positive. If you don't have it, you're Ra negative. So combining the ABO and RH systems, we get the 8 major blood types: a positive, a negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative. Each blood type is unique with its own set of antigens and potential implications for blood transfusions and pregnancy. Understanding both the ABO and RH systems is essential for determining blood compatibility, which can be the difference between life and death in certain medical situations. Knowing your blood type is not just a fun fact to share at a party. It's vital health information that everyone should have. In emergencies, every second counts, and knowing your blood type can help healthcare professionals provide life-saving treatment quickly and effectively. Imagine being rushed to the hospital after a car accident. You're losing blood rapidly and you need a transfusion. In this critical situation, waiting for blood type testing could waste precious time. But if you know your blood type, doctors can administer compatible blood immediately, increasing your chances of survival. Beyond emergencies, knowing your blood type is essential for various medical procedures, including surgeries, organ transplants, and even pregnancy. For expectant mothers, knowing their blood type and RH factor is crucial for ensuring a healthy pregnancy and preventing potential complications for both mother and baby. Blood transfusions are a cornerstone of modern medicine, saving countless lives every year. However, this life-saving procedure hinges on the principle of blood type compatibility. Giving someone incompatible blood can trigger a dangerous immune response, leading to serious complications. Our immune system is constantly on the lookout for foreign invaders, and it's programmed to attack anything that doesn't belong. When it comes to blood transfusions, incompatible blood is seen as an enemy, triggering a cascade of reactions that can be life-threatening. For example, if a person with type A blood receives type B blood, their immune system will recognize the B antigens on the transfused red blood cells as foreign and launch an attack. This attack can lead to blood clotting, kidney failure, and even death. Understanding blood type compatibility is essential for ensuring safe and effective blood transfusions. Medical professionals carefully match blood types before any transfusion using a process called cross-matching to prevent adverse reactions. Pregnancy is a special time in a woman's life, but it also comes with its own set of medical considerations, including blood type compatibility between mother and baby. One particular concern is Rh incompatibility, which can occur when an Rh-negative mother is carrying an Rh-positive baby. During pregnancy, some of the baby's blood can mix with the mother's blood, especially during labor and delivery. If the mother is Rh-negative and the baby is Rh-positive, the mother's immune system may see the baby's Rh-positive blood cells as foreign invaders and start producing antibodies against them. These antibodies can cross the placenta and attack the baby's red blood cells, leading to a condition called hemolytic disease of the newborn, or HDN. HDN can range in severity from mild to life-threatening, causing anemia, jaundice, and in severe cases brain damage or even death. Fortunately, medical advancements have made it possible to prevent Rh incompatibility during pregnancy. Rh-negative mothers are routinely screened for Rh antibodies, and if detected, they receive injections of a medication called Rh immune globulin, which prevents the mother's immune system from making the harmful antibodies. In today's world, knowing your blood type is more accessible than ever. There are several ways to find out this vital information, each offering a simple and convenient way to empower yourself with this knowledge. The most common way to determine your blood type is through a blood test. This simple procedure can be done at your doctor's office, a local clinic, or even some pharmacies. During the test, a small sample of your blood is drawn and sent to a laboratory for analysis. Another way to discover your blood type is through blood donation. When you donate blood, your blood is tested for various factors, including your blood type. Once the testing is complete, you'll receive a donor card with your blood type information. Knowing your blood type is an essential piece of your health puzzle. It's a simple step that can provide peace of mind and potentially save your life in an emergency.